In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Revtag on Revolut. Your Revtag is your unique handle that friends, family, or clients can use to find you and send money securely. So choosing something clear and memorable is important. To get started, open the Revolut app on your phone and tap your profile icon. This takes you to your personal area where you control your account settings. From here, go to Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, select Personal Details. This section holds your key profile information, including your Revtag. On the Personal Details screen, you'll see your current Revtag displayed. Tap on it to make changes. You'll be taken to an editor where you can type the new handle you want. As you enter your new Revtag, take a moment to check spelling and readability. Short, simple, and recognizable usually works best. Once you've typed it in, the app will let you know if that Revtag is available. If it's not available, adjust it slightly and check again until you see that it's free. When you found an available Revtag that you're happy with, tap Continue. Review your choice, then tap Update to confirm. The change is applied right away, and your new handle becomes the one others will see when they try to pay or search for you in Revolut. A quick but important note, you can only change your Revtag a limited number of times. That means it's worth choosing thoughtfully to avoid using up your changes. Also, your previous Revtags will become inactive after you make the switch. In some cases, you may still be able to switch back if needed, but don't rely on it as a guarantee. Availability and limits can affect whether a previous handle can be reused. If the layout in your app looks slightly different, don't worry, the wording can vary a bit between updates and regions, but the path is the same. Open your profile, go into Account Settings, then Personal Details, and look for the Revtag field. If you manage multiple profiles, just make sure you're editing the correct personal profile before you confirm. Before you share your new Revtag, double-check it on the Personal Details page to make sure it looks exactly the way you want. Consider keeping it consistent with your public usernames elsewhere so people can recognize you easily, and avoid including sensitive personal information. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Revolut Revtag. Thanks for watching, and if this walkthrough helped, keep this guide handy the next time you want to refresh your handle